Should we be taking risks in life? Is risk taking good or bad? What is the correct way of taking risk? Are these questions troubling you? Then watch this video till the end. To understand the story, please watch it from the first episode. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, sit back and enjoy the stories. You have crossed all limits, Janet. I have to take action now. Wait, I understand her way of working is not correct, but her intentions are pure. Pure? What are you talking about, Mr. James? I get her complaints daily. I just want to let you know that she too thinks about the betterment of this school. She just needs right direction. How is this possible?
Sir, I want our school should be one of the best in our country.
Are you gone crazy, Janet? This is impossible. I don't think we can compete with other schools. Are you even aware what it takes to be the best school? It will call for a lot of hard work, money and time. Why should we take this risk?
Don't you feel that our school should be ranked amongst the best? Do our children not deserve to win inter-school competition and get recognized?
This will only lead to more confusion. Everything is fine the way it is. Why do you want to change it? And what if we take the risk and we fail? Tell me one thing, sir. Which child would you support? The one who has tried and failed, or the one who has not tried at all? Risk taking is a second nature, and our ancestors used to come across these situations every day. When they used to go for hunting, there was always a risk that they would never come back. Slowly, we tried, we took risks, we learned, and today we are here in a secure environment. We are so used to our comfort that we feel that being comfortable is life. We are forgetting that we have reached this stage only by taking risks. I understand, James, but what if we lose? We must always take calculated risks. We will first analyze the situation, derive at a strategy, and only then decide on an action plan. This will reduce the chances of loss. Sir, you have such an amazing talent like Miss Janet. Trust me, you do not deserve to be behind in the competition. Okay, Miss Janet, call everyone right now. Let's start working on it right away. Friends, we always run for comfort and we reject to face our fears. We forget that we have to face them eventually. Life is all about fighting. Life is all about taking new decisions. Life is all about keeping our journey alive. And with calculated risks, we get to reach greater heights and achieve more like never before. All the teachers were present inside Principal's cabin except one. She was scared and stood outside. James saw her and screamed, "Shirlene, is that you?" What will happen next in James's life? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. And yes, don't forget to share this video with at least one person. Till then, think clearly.